If you want to develop true discipline, it's not about surface-level tactics or fluffy advice. You need strategies that cut to the bone, methods that push you beyond what you thought possible, and force you to confront the darkest parts of yourself. Here's how to do it. 1. Practice voluntary hardship daily. Discipline doesn't come from comfort. It's born from suffering. This means you have to intentionally seek out discomfort every single day. This could be waking up at 4:30 a.m. and going for a run while everyone else is sleeping. It could be training in martial arts, fasting for 24 hours, or taking a cold plunge until your body screams to get out. Choose one of these and do it daily, without exception. When you push your limits on purpose, you harden your mind and body to be disciplined when life truly tests you. 2. Make public commitments with consequences. Put your reputation and pride on the line. If you want to quit a bad habit or commit to a new one, announce it to everyone you know, friends, family, social media. But that's not enough. Attach a consequence that stings if you fail. Say, if you miss a workout, you'll donate a painful amount of money to a cause you despise. If you break a diet, you'll post a humiliating video on social media. When your word and integrity are on the line, you'll fight harder to stick to your commitments. The fear of embarrassment and failure will drive you to follow through. 3. Leverage pain as motivation. Find the thing that hurts you the most, whether it's a failed relationship, missed opportunity, or a moment when you felt weak. Write down every single detail of that experience and revisit it every time you feel like quitting. Picture that pain vividly in your mind until it fuels a deep rage inside you. Use that emotional charge as rocket fuel to take action. When your pain is greater than your desire to quit, discipline becomes your default setting. Pain is a brutal but honest teacher. Use it as a weapon. 4. Set uncompromising boundaries around time and energy. This means cutting off distractions and people who don't add value to your goals, even if they are close friends or family. Create a routine where certain hours of your day are locked in for specific activities, and nothing, not calls, texts, or emergencies, can disrupt it. Get a second phone for emergencies if you must. Be ruthless with how you spend your time and energy. For example, schedule deep work blocks where no one can reach you, and train yourself to never break these. Defend these boundaries with the same intensity you'd protect your family. When your time is locked in and distractions are eliminated, discipline naturally follows. These are real methods that go beyond the basics. Implement these with commitment, and you'll build a level of discipline that others only talk about. But remember, none of this works unless you do. Don't just think about it. Take action today.